What's happening YouTube, your boy Tech Tricks back in another video, and today we're looking at a brand new Bluetooth wireless mouse for your MacBook Air M1. Here we go. First things first, make sure to hit that subscribe button below, hit the notification bell so you can be notified of next videos to come, up tips and tricks and unboxing just like this one. Check out my merch below at 1130.ca. Hit that like button as well so we can beat that YouTube algorithm. Without further ado, let's go ahead and show you what this thing can do. This one is from Inphic, and pretty much this is a wireless Bluetooth mouse that you can use for any computer that you want. But today we're going to use it with our MacBook Air M1 so that we can edit some videos as well. So here we go. I'll show you what we get in the box here. Inside we get an instruction manual right there. Just a box right there. Plastic right here. And did I mention it's also ergonomic and also looks pretty cool, like a gaming mouse as well. Pretty nice. I have a bigger hand, so as you can see it's pretty comfortable for me to hold. Pretty good. On the side there's two buttons right there, so you could see little scrolling wheel right there, two buttons right there, and a button on the back right there. And then that's it. That's really it for that. It has a nice design on the side right here where you can put your other fingers there. On the bottom it also has a Bluetooth USB so that you can hook it up to your computer like so. On and off button right here so you can charge it as well. Rechargeable via micro USB right there. Unfortunately it's not USB-C, but that's alright. And also here you can turn it on and off right there. Laser style mouse right there as well. And then there's the option up here if you want it on 2.4 gigahertz Bluetooth 5 or Bluetooth 4 right there. Now let's go ahead and hook it up to our MacBook Air M1. Make sure that your mouse is on Bluetooth 4.0. It doesn't work in 5.0 for some reason because Apple only has Bluetooth 4.0 on the MacBook Air M1s. Now as you can see, it's able to use it with the mouse on our MacBook Air M1 now, and then you can change the settings, sensitivity, and all the stuff on the setting. Change it to however you like on what's most comfortable for you. If I'm being honest, I actually had a hard time using the mouse because I'm not used to using a mouse. I'm just used to using the trackpad on the MacBook Air M1. But it does feel good on the ergonomic style of it. It does need a little bit of grip, I think. If there's a little bit more grip on the sides, then it'll be better off on that. But for the most part, it is comfortable once I got to use it for a little bit. My fingers does sit on the sides pretty well, and I don't have to adjust my hand or anything like that, so that's really good. This whole video is also edited using this mouse. I was able to use it for the entirety of the editing, so that's really good. I would definitely recommend this for people who likes to not spend too much on the ergonomic mouse, and you can also use it as a Bluetooth mouse. If you're into that kind of stuff, you're great at editing, and if you want to be comfortable and you don't want to spend too much money, this is recommended for you. And that's it, everyone. Thanks for watching. I hope I was able to help you on choice on a brand new Bluetooth mouse. If I was able to help you, make sure to hit that subscribe button below, hit the notification bell so you can be notified of next videos to come, of tips and tricks and unboxing just like this one. Make sure to hit that like button as well so we can beat that YouTube algorithm. I hope you guys have a good day and stay grateful. Peace.